To protect against the possibility of overreaching, lawyers are generally prohibited from doing business with their clients or knowingly acquiring pecuniary interests adverse to their clients. This prohibition applies unless certain requirements are met, as demonstrated by the 2014 case, Institutional Labor Advisors versus Allied Resources. Allied Resources was negotiating the potential acquisition of coal reserves, and it hired Institutional Labor Advisors, or ILA, to manage the labor aspects of the deal. No written agreement was signed at this time, but the parties orally agreed that ILA would receive a percentage-based contingency fee if the deal successfully closed. The closing happened the following year, at which point the parties started negotiating their written compensation agreement. Allied had independent counsel during this time, and after months of extensive negotiations, the parties signed an agreement. In relevant part, the agreement provided that ILA would receive 5% of the value of certain income derived from the newly acquired coal reserves. When Allied failed to pay the amounts due, ILA filed a breach of contract action in the United States District Court for the Western District of Kentucky. Allied argued that the written compensation agreement was unenforceable under applicable Kentucky law because it violated the rules of professional conduct for lawyers. Both parties moved for summary judgment.